Good morning, child of God. I just want to encourage you for the day to say, press reset. And what that means is whenever there's a product that has a reset button on it and it malfunctions for whatever reason, and sometimes it doesn't come on because of the power surge and it's affected it, and now it shuts off. One of the things that turns it back on is the reset button. I'm going to ask you to press your reset button. And the way you press your reset button is you find a place to pray. My prayer for you today is if you're going through some challenging moments, today is the day you press the reset button. Find a place of prayer, find a place of consecration, and talk to God. Share this message with somebody that really needs to hear something to help them move forward. God bless you. God keep you. That is my prayer.